NEET 2026 is over, and now your ultimate goal is to crack your IIT and NEST examination this year so that you can also reach your dream science institute, be it ISC Bangalore, be it NISA Bhubaneswar, or be it one of the 7 NISAs. So you have only 30 days left for your examination. NEST is on 6 June and IIT exam is on 7 June. So you hardly have less than 24 hours gap between the two examinations. So without any further ado, let me tell you 30 days roadmap strategy that you can follow if you want to clear your IIT and NEST examination this year. So if you look at the profile, your NEST is, 29 days away and your IIT is actually 30 days away. So ideally you should spend 8 to 9 hours studying every day, right? So now there are some critical gap topics. Now these gap topics altogether account for 55 to 65% marks for both your IIT and your NEST. Now these gap topics are the topics that actually can give you a bounce from normal scorer to a. Now these gap topics can actually give you a boost from a normal scorer to a person who is actually scoring top ranks, right? So in your physics you have optics, modern physics, oscillation and waves. IIT weightage for optics is around 5.83%. Modern physics, it's 11.67%, and your oscillation and wave has 8.33% weightage for your IIT. For NEST, optics has 11.11% weightage, modern physics has 15.87% weightage, and oscillation chapter has 8.33% weightage. Now, your chemistry. For chemistry, organic reactions, all your organic chemistry, it accounts for 38% of your IIT weightage and 34.5% for your NEST weightage. Talking about maths, you have integral calculus and coordinate geometry. Now, integral calculus in IIT accounts for 18.52% weightage, and your coordinate geometry accounts for 17.78% in your IIT examination. For NEST, integral calculus is 8.46% and coordinate geometry is 15.44%. In biology, your human physiology, ecology and biotech, they account for human physiology is 15.6%, ecology is 8.9%, and in NEST examination, ecology is 11.9% and biotech is 6.3%. Now, if you look at it, so this is the combined weightage for all your IIT and NEST, all right, for all your chemistry, physics and biology. So this PDF would be available to you in Science Trust fee material. You can actually sit with it and analyze every topic in detail, right? So if I move forward to your 30 days planner, now even if you are starting on May 8th, that is Thursday, you can start with chemistry, right? What do you need to do here is you need to actually first prepare these gap topics and you need to do your mocks. So now let's say you start with chemistry first. By Sunday, if you are completing chemistry, then on Monday again you start with maths, and by Thursday you complete maths. Friday, Saturday you do your physics, and on Sunday you start with your biology. Now remember, with all these things you need to do your topic wise PYQs also, and you need to practice some of the other mock questions so that you can know what is the pattern of questions that are asked in your examination. Now, phase 2 is your full revision plus your PYQ marathon. Now, from 19th May, right, you need to start with your full revision and you need to give at least some mocks. Now, you can either do, just the PYQs of physics, you can do just the PYQ of chemistry, but you need to start with solving questions after your 19th May. After your 28th May, right, by the end of your month, you need to start with full IIT and NEST mock exams, right? And you need to analyze those papers. You need to see where your concepts are lacking. And if you have any question that you find out of syllabus or a bit difficult, from that question, you take the concept, you revise the theory, and that is how you are going to prepare now, right? Till max to max, your 3rd June, you can give your full mocks for your IIT and your NEST. After that, when you start with 4th June, you need to start revising, right? You pack your things, you pack your admit card, you pack your documents, whatever you need, and side by side, you start doing light revisions. Remember, after 15th May, do not start with any new topic. Just leave whatever has been left and polish whatever has been done, right? And then one day before you are going to appear for your next examination, remember to just go through the formulas, etc. Okay, whatever diagrams, whatever pie charts are there, just do a light revision for everything and appear for your next examination with free and relaxed mind. If you also tend to panic in examination, the best way is to time your mocks when you're doing it so that you can actually have that sense, okay, I'm writing an exam. It is going to lower your anxiety and it is going to help you focus on questions a bit better. Now, if you also are lost, as many students don't know from where you need to get mocks from, then don't worry, because Sai Astra has got for you its Nest Everything series. Now, this is your mock test series where you will be having at least 12 mock tests. You'll have last 11 years PYQs, that is from 2020 to 2025. You'll have full solution for that. You'll have recorded discussion of mock and PYQs. You'll get chapter-wise PYQ of Nest. You'll get weekly interaction sessions. You're going to get a private Telegram group. You're going to get strategy and support till your Nest examination. Sai Astra AI Instant Doubt Solver. You'll have last moment formula sheets for all your PCMB students, and you will have free Sai Astra t-shirt after selection in your NISER or CEBS. Now, free counseling support and Sai Astra alumni access after your Nest 2026 is also available here. Now, another surprise here is your Nest 2026 mock test series. In this test series, you will have 10 mock tests and you will have last 11 PYQs from 2020 to 2025 with full video solutions. You'll have a private Telegram group and you'll have strategy and support till your Nest examination. You'll have weekly interaction sessions. You will also have AI Instant Doubt Solver. You'll have last minute formula sheets for all 4 subjects, that is physics, chemistry, maths and biology. You'll also get a free t-shirt after your selection in NISER or CBS Mumbai. You'll also be getting free counseling support and Sai Astra alumni access after your Nest 2026. Now, for all the IIT aspirants, we also have your IIT 2026 mock test series where you'll be getting 10 mocks and all 8 PYQs from 2018 to 2025 with full video solutions. You'll have 100 chapter-wise mock tests in CBT mode for PCMB. You'll have private Telegram group. You'll have strategy and support till your IIT exam. You'll have free counseling and Sai Astra alumni support for you, right? Till your IIT examination, your Sai Astra AI Instant Doubt Solver would be given here. You'll have last minute formula sheets for all 4 subjects, physics, chemistry, maths and biology. And if you get into IISc Bangalore, your IIT Madras or your 7 ISers also, then you'll be getting your Sai Astra's t-shirt and you'll have weekly interaction session. For your IIT aspirants, we also have an everything series in which you'll have 12 mock tests and you'll be getting all last 8 PYQs since 2018 to 2025 with full solutions. Recorded discussion of mock and PYQs. You'll have 100 chapter-wise mock tests in CBT mode for PCMB. You'll again be getting your free counseling support, your AI doubt solver, your private chat, your weekly interaction, chapter-wise PYQs for your IIT examination, and you'll have special guidance session videos for non-maths and non-bio students. You'll have strategy and support till your IIT examination is done, and you will be getting last-minute formula sheets and free Sai Astra t-shirt if you get admission in your IC Bangalore, your IIT Madras or one of your 7 ISers. Now, if I talk about the prices of these tests, let's start with your IIT Everything test series itself. Right? So the test series was initially of 2,000 rupees, but it is currently at 25% off. So it is going to be for 1,499 only. If I talk about my IIT mock test series, right? So this was initially at 1,500, but it is currently at 47% off. So it is going to be for 799 itself. And if I talk about your Nest mock test series, so my Nest mock test series was also for 1,500. It is also currently at 47% off at 799 rupees. And my Nest Everything test series, now this was initially for 2,000 rupees and now it is currently at 25% off at 1,499. So this is your last chance if you want to go into your dream institute this year. So do not forget to enroll in these test series where you can actually see where your preparation stands. And if you have any further questions, any doubts, any suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you want to contact us directly, support team's number would be there in the pinned comment section below. So what are you waiting for? If you want to follow your dreams, this is your last chance. Sai Astra is here to help you. So do not hesitate. Go register and we wish you all the best for your examination.